Driving Westward by Rebecca Reynolds. Sala, Greenock, 2026. Driving westward, past the seasonal sea of yellow to my left, past the homestead on my right-hand side, around the bend over the rise, a favourite vista appears, late afternoon as it is. Today the hills glow, red, orange, apricot hues, spreading, enveloping the village and its vines in a gentle golden light. The promise of a friendly smile, a wave, a beverage, a bite to eat perhaps. Community and belonging beckons. Your home, whispers the wind. Driving westward to Greenock.